Okay, so good morning, class.
Good morning.
Okay, how do you do? I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Tapi kok you look not fine?
Fine.
Are you sleepy?
No.
No? Sindu looks sleepy today.
Ya Bu.
Yeah, because he's tired. Dia capek habis ngerabuk katanya. Okay, good boy.
Yes.
Okay, so today we will talk about a new topic. We will talk about a new topic, then I will share something for you. But before we start, as usual, mari kita berdoa menurut agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing sehingga proses pembelajaran hari ini bisa berjalan dengan lancar. Ya, berdoa mulai.
Ya, Bu.
Berdoa selesai. Okay, thank you. Semangat dong. Semangat nggak?
Semangat.
Semangat.
Semangat Bu.
Okay.
Pagi bicara
Sudah terlihat nggak di sini?
Enggak.
Sudah.
Enggak.
Okay. Welcome to English class with me, Miss Mila. Yeah. I wish all of you stay healthy. Ya, selalu sehat. Always in a good condition in this pandemic. Always be powerful. Selalu semangat. Jadi, Ibu harap kalian bisa mengikuti pelajaran dengan baik hari ini. Thank you very much for joining the class today. And then, okay, I already sent you the link of the lesson in the chat room. Please check after the meeting today. Jadi kalian bisa cek link untuk lessonnya untuk dipelajari secara offline ya. Okay. I already also send you the present list in the chat room. Nanti bisa diisi selama pembelajaran atau akhir pembelajaran. Setelah pembelajaran bisa. Ya. Okay, before we start to the lessons, always remember this. This is about your future. If you want to be success, yeah, success doesn't just find you. You have to go out and get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it true?
True.
Yeah. If you just stay, you will not get your success. But if you move on, you will get your success. Yeah, it's so inspiring. I wish you will be inspired by these quotes. Remember these quotes every time. So I'm sure you will be success. Yeah. Okay, now we move on to, and here is our purpose of a study here. Ini adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini, menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait dengan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks naratif lisan dan tulis terkait cerita pendek. And the purpose of our lesson today is melalui kegiatan membaca pemahaman cerita pendek dengan menggunakan model discovery learning, kalian dapat menganalisis elemen dalam sebuah cerita pendek dengan baik, jujur, dan teliti. Kemudian yang kedua, melalui kegiatan membaca pemahaman cerita pendek dengan menggunakan model discovery learning, kalian dapat menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dalam sebuah teks cerita pendek dengan baik, jujur, dan teliti. Ya, Sindu, what are you doing? Masih capek Sindu, kasihan Sindu.
Ngong Bu.
Yeah, okay. Now we move on to the next one.
Gabut dia gabut.
I have a picture. Look at the picture. Kelihatan nggak?
Kelihatan.
Timun mas.
Oh,
Yeah, Timun Mas. So, have you ever heard that story?
yes.
Yes. Yes.
I have.
So, if you ever heard that story, mention the characters in the pictures. Try to find the characters in the pictures.
Timun Mas.
Which one is Timun Mas?
Raksasa itu siapa namanya ya?
Bu hijau namanya.
Putu Ijo. Yeah, this is Putu Ijo, the giant. And then, which one is Timun Mas? Yang mana Timun Mas? With the yellow
The young girl.
or the
Yes,
green?
the younger.
The younger or the older?
The younger.
The younger.
Younger, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so who is this one?
The old widow.
The old widow.
Mother.
Pengasuh, oke. Ada yang jawab pengasuh, ada yang jawab old widow, ada yang menjawab mother. Nanti kita cek sama-sama. Oke, now grandma bisa. She is old, so maybe she is her grandma.
Selamat for you.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
can.
Okay, next. How is the setting of the picture? How is the setting? Can you guess the setting of the
Village.
Village.
Forest.
forest?
Near the forest.
Patah City Forest.
Patah City. Patah City or
Patah is
Jember
the forest.
City? Forest
Patah
village.
Forest.
Okay, thank you. So, what is our lesson today?
Short story.
Short story? Let's check.
Short story.
Okay, so today we will talk about short story. Yeah. And okay, now pay attention on these pictures. Can you see the questions?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so I have 3 pictures here. The old woman, grandma, the grandma, the old woman, yeah, the old woman, the widow, the old woman and the child, and also the giant.
Halo.
Can you see the giant in the second pictures? The second pictures ada giant nggak?
Ada.
Ada.
Yes.
Lagi ngapain giantnya di sana?
Intip bu.
Giantnya lagi ngapain?
Lagi ngintip.
Lagi ngintip. Okay. Now, okay, the first question. Where did the story take place?
In the village.
The story took place in the village near forest.
Okay, wait a moment. By looking at the pictures, can you guess where did the story take place?
Village near the forest.
Village near the forest. And then, how is the relationship between the woman and the girl?
Your mother and daughter.
Mother and daughter.
Mother.
Yes.
Mother and daughter.
And then,
Doctor.
anyone? Ada yang punya jawaban lain?
Mother and doctor. Itu tadi siapa yang jawab grandma?
Grandma and grandchild. Okay. Now next, how is the woman look like? From the picture, can you guess how is the woman would look like?
Kind and hardworking.
Kind and hardworking.
Kind, hardworking. Okay, thank you.
Yes, very kind.
Yeah. Now let's check. Okay, here is the answers. Where did the story take place? Okay, it took place in the village near the forest. How is the relationship between the woman and the girl? They are mother and daughter, not grandmother and grandchild. Okay, so the woman is not a grandmother. Yeah, she's a mother. How does the woman look like? From the picture, we can see that she is very kind and also hardworking.
Very hardworking.
Yeah. Now, go on. It's time to analyze. Okay, I will divide you into groups. into two groups, and then you must read and analyze the story. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait a moment, please. I will divide you today. Siap-siap ke breakout rooms ya.
Ya.
Jeng jeng. Oke. Room 1. Room 1 itu ada Dini Anggelia, Eva Aryani, Made Arya Ari Diatmika, Risma Yanti. And then room 2, Devia, Ananda Jaya, Putri Darmayanti, Risa Ananda, Sindu Pratama. Brenda in room 1. Ya, sekali lagi room 1 ada Dini, Eva Aryani, Ari Diatmika, Risma, dan Brenda. Yang lainnya di room 2. Silahkan pergi ke room masing-masing. I give you 10 minutes to do the analysis story, and after that you go back to the room, to the main room. Ya, silahkan masuk ke room masing-masing. Hello group 1.
Hello. Hello.
Hello group 1. Okay, I will share you the story in the WA group. Jadi kalian bisa melihat story-nya sambil bekerja. Ya, silahkan dicek WA grupnya. Oke. Silahkan nanti didiskusikan, nanti kalian pilih perwakilan satu siswa untuk mempresentasikan hasil diskusinya. Ya. Oke, thank you.
Yes.
Silahkan kerja, nanti kembali ke main room. Oke.
Miss.
Halo group 2. I already sent you the story. Ya, I already send you the story in your WA, di WA grup kelas kita. Jadi silakan dikerjakan, dicek dari sana. Silakan kalian berdiskusi di sini. Jika sudah selesai, you can go back to the main room in 10 minutes. Ya?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Good luck and do your good job. Ya? Finish with the group work. Okay, now one of you, I would like to ask group 1 who wants to present the work. Group 1 silakan. Siapa yang ingin mewakili?
Saya Bu. Saya Miss.
Okay, Brenda first.
The story is about the bravery of a widow to cheat a giant in order to save her doctor. And the story also shows the determination of Timun Mas to keep her own life.
Okay, thank you.
Number
Group
2.
2? Group 2 any comment?
No.
No comment? The second one, the purpose of the story.
The purpose of the story is to entertain and to amuse the reader.
Okay, now go on. The structure of the story.
Orientation. Once upon a time, an old widow.
Yeah, thank you. And then the complication.
The widow remembered what the giant had warned her.
Miss, can I answer the last question?
Okay, which one is the orientation?
The orientation is the once upon a time.
Once upon a time.
The other to live with her.
The first paragraph?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
which one is the complication?
The complication is the widow remember what the giant had.
Second?
Yes.
Okay, how about the resolution?
The resolution is the
The third paragraph.
the
Okay, thank you.
last sentence.
What is the moral value of the story? Group 1.
May I answer it, Miss? Please.
Group 1?
Eva, after you,
Okay,
after
Eva.
you.
So the moral value of the story are: 1, we should not give up with all the problems of life that happen in our life, because every problem there must be a solution.
Grup 2 siapa yang mewakili? Risa?
Bisa.
Risa. Okay, Risa. In your group opinion, What is the theme of the story?
Amuse and to entertain the readers.
Okay, to amuse and the structure. Maybe you have a different opinion about the structure. Maybe your group have a different opinion about the structures. No?
Same.
No, the same. So, in your group opinion, that the first paragraph is orientation, the second paragraph complication,
Is complication
and then the
Paragraph is the
third paragraph is resolution. How about the moral value of the story? Maybe your group have a different opinion about the moral value of the story. Mungkin anggota grup yang lain bisa membantu.
the moral value of the story, like we should can solve the problem, any problems that in life, and always pray for everything to God, because God is the rule of universe.
Okay, thank you. Okay, give virtual applause to group 2.
Yay.
Okay, also give virtual applause for group 1. Okay, now let's check the answer. The theme of the story is bravery and determination. Yeah, bravery and determination. The story is about the bravery of a widow to cheat a
Yes.
giant. Yeah. So, in order to save her daughter. And this story also shows the determination of Timur Mas to keep her own life. So, the theme di sini is about bravery and determination. Yeah, and the purpose of the story is to entertain and to amuse the reader, because this is a narrative text. Yeah, and the structure we can see here. Once upon a time, an old widow wanted to daughter to live with her in the village. And the moral value of the story are: we should not give up with all the problems that happens in our life, because God will always show the best way. Be brave, be sure to face anything. Yeah? Okay, so that's the moral value of the story.
Greatest of God.
So for any questions? The short story is a short work of fiction. Okay, and the other one is short story is a prose narrative shorter length than novel, especially one that concentrates on a single theme. The key phrase here is a single theme. Yeah? And then short story is a piece of fiction that has a limited number of words, only a few characters, text, and one of them. So in conclusion, short story is a short work of fiction with a single theme and limited number of words. Itu poinnya di sana. Yeah, and the generic structure we can see here is orientation, complication, resolution. What is orientation? What is the content of orientation?
Introduce the characters, settings, and situations.
Yeah, thank you. And
Like the background
complication?
information.
Rising.
Complication,
Yeah.
there are kind of situation.
Iya, biasanya ada konflik di sana.
Yeah.
Solving action.
The conflict
Okay.
problem.
In detail, complication consists of raising action, climax, and falling
Falling
action.
action.
Yeah, in raising action, the diagram is just like a mountain. Ya, seperti ini. Jadi, ada raising action dulu. When the problems appear. Kemudian ada climax, the higher points of the problem. And then the falling action. This is when the character walks to solve the problem.
Like
Ya,
solution.
mulai turun, mulai kelihatan the solution. Mulai dingin-dingin begitu konfliknya. Ya, kemudian and the resolution is how things end up. So far, any questions?
No.
No questions? Thank you.
No.
Now we move on to the elements of short story. The first one is characters. Characters divided into two. Yeah. The first one is the individual in the story.
Like
For
person.
example, yeah, the person in the story. For example, the Timun Mas, the giant, the widow. Itu characters yang pertama. Characters yang kedua, the characteristic of a person.
Characteristic.
Karakteristiknya bagaimana? Itu juga masuk characters. Misalnya, the woman very kind, hardworking. Dan kalau Timun Mas brave girl, ya, itu contohnya characters. Ya, go on to the setting. Of course, you already know that setting content of time and place. Ya, the plot here is sequence events. Eventsnya, urutan eventsnya gimana?
Bukan kejadian.
Kejadian, ya, urutan kejadian. Good, thank you. And then ada conflict. You must know that narrative text must have conflict.
Have conflict.
It's a must, ya. Harus ada konflik. Kalau tidak ada konflik, bukan naratif namanya. It can be recount if there is no conflict in a story. Ya. Kemudian ada theme, tema. Ngambil tema apa di sana? Kayak tadi Timun Mas temanya bravery and determination. Ya. Yang terakhir ada point of view.
Sudut pandang.
Ya, sudut pandangnya. Pengarangnya pakai sudut pandang apa? I, you, atau he or she, atau dengan nama. So that's all the elements of short story. If you want to write a short story, you must add up all these elements. Yeah. This is the examples about the monkey and the chicken. And this is the analysis. Yeah, the characters monkey, chicken, and cat. Settingnya di sini night in the big dangerous city. Ya, kemudian plotnya ini urutan kejadiannya dari Chicky Monkey walking down dark street sampai semuanya. Pokoknya plot itu urutan kejadian.
Ya,
dalam sebuah
singkat gitu ya.
Iya. Misalnya baru bangun pagi kita ngapain, terus ngapain. Sama seperti itu. And then conflict. Of course, problem. Ya, problemnya apa di sana? Temanya silly chicken tricked by the monkey. And then point of view-nya memakai third person point of view karena menggunakan monkey, chicken, he and
He.
ya, clear? Jelas?
Clear.
Okay, good, very good, thank you. Okay, so for any questions? Any questions? So, what do you know about short story from our
The
lesson?
definition of short story.
Yeah,
A short story is a present narrative
part of narrative. Okay, thank you.
and limits of number of words.
Okay, and for the next meeting, what do you want to know about short story?
All language features.
Language features. Thank you. And then, what did you learn today?
More learn about definition, generic structure,
Definition.
The element of short story.
Element.
And generic
Yeah.
structure.
Generic structure.
learn
And then one
about how to analyze.
Definition.
how to analyze the short story. Yeah, good. Thank you. Okay, so now we continue to the quiz time. I want you to answer these questions correctly, and then tolong dijawab dengan baik dan benar.
Ya siapa itu suruh mute dulu ya?
Kelihatan nggak kelihatan nggak loadingnya?
Belum. Iya, kan Miss.
Kelihatan ya?
Ya, kelihatan.
Itu suara ayam.
Oke, welcome to short story quiz. Oke, silahkan dilihat baik-baik di sini. Nah, first question. Pertanyaan pertama. Pikirkan dulu. First question. Yang ingin menjawab, please raise your hand. Atau silakan menyebutkan nama lengkap baru menjawab ya.
Dina, after you.
Saya Bu.
Siapa itu?
Saya Bu. Dina. Dini.
Oke, Dini. What is the answer, Dini? Silakan
Sang
baca dulu
Prabu
soalnya ya.
Oh, gininya Bu, story-nya juga.
Ini baca ininya.
Atau
Questionnya aja.
which one of the following statement is false about Sang Prabu? Sang Prabu, the answer is Sang Prabu was taken to Kahyangan by wicked fairy.
Sang Prabu was taken to Kahyangan by wicked fairy. Oke, kita keep dulu. Number 2. Number 2. Grup 2, gilirannya sekarang. Ayo.
Aduh.
Grup 2, the time is yours.
Astagfirullah. On the slope of Mawayang in West Java, who was the wise man. Okay, he had an only daughter called Princess Taja Nirmala, who was so famous on her beauty, but she was not married. One day, Sang Prabu made up his mind to
Brenda baca dalam hati coba.
Weh. Nggak bisa tuh di dalam hati, coy.
Aku mau baca.
Aku nggak masuk otak kalau dalam hati. Sumpah,
Enggak. Kalau gitu, gininya dulu, optionnya dulu baca, baru cari-cariin di atas gitu tahu.
Iya, aku
Iya.
udah baca soal sama itunya. Aku
That's
udah
the
baca.
tips
Sekarang
from
tinggal
Dini.
baca short story-nya.
Siapa yang mau mewakili? Grup 2, silakan. Eva. Risa. Oke, Risa, the time is yours.
Group 2 kan?
Ya, Risa.
She wants Nirmala to forget about her wedding.
She wanted Taja Nirmala to forget about her wedding. Ya.
Oke,
Ya.
dulu.
Oke. Now group 1. Ibu pengen dengar suara siswa yang cowok ini. Ananda, coba Ananda kelompok berapa?
Kelompok 2, Bu.
Ari Diatmika?
1, Bu.
Oke, coba Ari yang jawab.
Ada.
Baca dulu pertanyaannya ini. Baca pertanyaannya dari sini.
Saya, Bu.
Raden Begawan will not die.
Raden Begawan will not die. Oke, thank you. Let's check. Jeng.
Aku kayaknya salah deh.
Sang Prabu. Sang Prabu.
Okay, so the first one. Sang Prabu was taken to Kahyangan by wicked fairy. Very good. The second one. Oh, the answer is she didn't want the Prince of Blamban princess. So the answer is not she wanted Teja ini ya. Jadi jawaban yang benar adalah she didn't want
the Prince of Blambangan marry the princess.
princess.
Iya.
Ya.
Ini pasti A.
Ya,
Okay, I'm sorry, Ari. Yeah, the answer is wicked fairy will not take Raden Begawan
Raden
Life.
Life.
one.
Wah.
Okay.
Itu emang live one ya? Soalnya kan
Nah, gitu aja nggak pakai uang.
Ya. Okay. So that's the
hampir
quiz.
mirip loh itu. Yang A sama D.
Okay, so that is the quiz. Thank you for joining the quiz. And I already sent you the LKPD in the chat room. Yeah, you can download and submit it in the Google Classroom. That's all for our lesson today. Thank you for joining the English class for this morning. I wish all of you will always powerful in every situation, in every class online. Ya,
Thank you.
jadi Bu harap kalian
Thank you.
tetap semangat seperti ini mengikuti kelas
Ya, Bu.
online yang lain.
Ya, Miss.
Ya,
Ya,
thank
Miss.
you very much for joining the class. And then for the next meeting, we will move on to the writing section about short story. Ya, we will talk about short story, masih dengan short story tapi ke writing activity. Be good student always, as always, and I wish all of you always in a good condition. Ya,
Bu.
ya.
Thank you.
Ada pertanyaan lagi nggak?
Ada aja itu ya kan.
Ada pertanyaan lagi? Okay, so that's all for the lesson today, and thank you very much. Bye bye.
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 Okay, you can leave the room today.
Thank you.